Alright, so here at this house in Statesboro, probably would have gone undetected for a while if they wouldn't notice the soft spots in the floor from above. Yeah, I'm wondering if we're going to see wood rot or termites, but we're going to see one of the two, I promise you. Maybe both. We got damp floor. This insulation's holding moisture. It's condensating and holding moisture up to the wood floor. So as it soaks in, that's a big termite attractant, wet wood. So we've got termites and wood rot here in the same spot. You see the water about to drip. Oh yeah, termites and wood rot. So you'll see this piece right here. You can see the tunnels, all that dirt right there. I'm not actually seeing any live termites in there, but they have been here. That's what all this is. And you see up there, so actually from here, that's termite damage right there. If you see this one, it's still wet, and this run right here, yeah, it's still wet. From here back is actually wet. Right here, they've eaten out, see that rotten wood? The termites will just eat that out. That's all termite damage. They're not there today. What's happened here is it's a vented dirt floor crawl space, and the condensation underneath the house has been trapped in the insulation up against the wood subfloor, which is a beacon for termites, and that's what happened here. The termites have come inside, moved into the floor joist and to the subfloor, and have eaten away, made it soft, so the integrity of the wood itself is gone. So moisture in the crawl space is not a good thing to have, and a termite inspection on an annual basis is a great thing to have. We're going to offer a solution to fix the wood damage and educate the customer about what's going on with moisture in the crawl space, and if they wish to look at the encapsulation, we can go forward and show them how we can fix that for them also.